Thanks for shopping at Dpatrick Honda. Many of our customers have asked for a way to save time and money at the dealership. Well, we listened. Dpatrick's Fast Track makes it possible and easy. First, select a new or used vehicle. Look for the Fast Track logo. To build your payment, select Finance or Lease. Enter the asking price. Choose Search for Specials for any current deals. Cash down can be 0 to the full price. Select your credit range and Fast Track will dynamically look for the best terms and conditions for your deal. Enter in your zip code to make the payment more accurate when you arrive to pick up your vehicle. If you have a vehicle that you're interested in trading, you can get a KBB estimated trade value. Explore our protection plans and schedule a test drive today. You can always save your progress and resume at any other time with 0 obligation. If you get stuck, talk to one of our agents and we will gladly help you through the process. The payment could be even better. With our local banks, you can get a better deal than what our Fast Track tool shows. Get started on buying a new ride from anywhere on any device with Fast Track. Look forward to seeing you at Dpatrick Honda.